Hello again. This is actually a continuance of my last video. So this can be called boiling eggs video number 2. So when I post it, I will put boiling eggs video number 1 and boiling eggs video number 2 for this video. I just wanted to show everybody the eggs are boiling very nicely. And they've been boiling for 4 minutes now. They've been boiling 4 minutes, or just 2 more minutes. I'm going to boil them only 2 more minutes, and then I'll show you what else, how I end the process of boiling eggs my way. And in the meantime, I can update on the forecast, because I'm checking the forecast again for Owen Roberts International Airport. That's where this forecast is coming from, I guess. Owen Roberts International Airport in Grand Cayman. It's 84 degrees there now. 84 degrees. Let's see. Scroll down. Scroll down. Today, 40% chance of rain today. 84 degrees. Tomorrow, 40% chance of rain. 84 degrees again. The low, 78 degrees. The low. Tuesday, that's the day I leave. I leave Albuquerque on Tuesday. It will be 84 degrees. The low will be 78. No chance of rain. Partly cloudy. Wednesday, which will be the day I arrive there, it will be 84 degrees. 78 degrees. Low will be the low. Wednesday, my first full day. My first full day will be Thursday the 1st, and then Friday the 2nd I'll be there, full day, and Saturday the 3rd I will be there. And every day is no chance of rain. 84 degrees every day. 78 degree lows. 77 degree low. Fully sunny on Saturday. So that's it, no rain. I'm not expecting any rain while I'm there. Because when I'm traveling there, it's like in between the drier season and the season that begins the rainy season. The rainy season begins like the first week of May. But this year it looks like the first week of May is dry. No rain all week. So while I'm there, I was thinking of bringing an umbrella, but I think not. If some kind of miracle happens and starts to rain, I can buy an umbrella there. But it looks like I won't have to. Okay. They should be ready. They've been boiling for, let's see, what does my clock say here? 16. They've been boiling 6 minutes. So I said I'm going to turn them off, turn the oven off, and I'll just let it boil down there for a moment. And then I will pour out the hot boiling water, and throw in some cold water, and we'll peel an egg, see what the result is. So yeah, this is my egg boiling tutorial, with a procedure I have perfected through several years of trial and error. Okay, the water has stopped boiling. So, stove is off. I always make sure the stove is off. I'm bringing the boiled eggs to the sink. Wait a minute, let me show you the sink here. There we go. Now the eggs, I'm gonna pour the water out. The hot water I'm pouring out. Now I'm gonna put in cold water. Nice and cold. Oh, one egg cracked. 2 eggs are cracked. When the heck did I do that? But no egg white is coming out of one cracked egg, but some egg white is coming out of the second cracked egg. Now usually the eggs don't crack, so I don't know what I did. But it's okay, it's not a disaster, you know. Okay, I took out the cold water, this cracked egg. I'll take the cracked egg out. I'm going to take out one cracked egg, and one not cracked egg. Okay, and put the other eggs. They're still in the pan there. So let's see what result we got here. You see how the shells come out? The shells are coming out very, very nicely. There you go. And the cracked egg, this egg was cracked, but the shell's still coming up very nicely. Look at that. The egg white is not sticking to the shell at all. So that proves my procedure is a very good procedure with excellent results every time. Okay. Got a knife, cut it, and look at this. Look at this. Beautiful hard-boiled eggs. Beautiful. So this shows you, this is the egg that was cracked. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful results. I think this proves my point. My process of boiling eggs is an excellent way for anybody who wants to start boiling eggs in their career of cooking lunch or breakfast. I eat hard-boiled eggs for lunch or breakfast because they're really good for you. They give protein and stuff like that. I don't know what else is protein I know about, but you know, I'm sure they got a little bit of vitamin something. I can't potassium probably. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna go and sign out now. This is the end of my boiling eggs tutorial. Thank you for watching.